Hello guys, this is Zibby from w124 Motors. Welcome back to our channel. It's been a while. So we have for you today a 1986 Mercedes-Benz 300E that we're working on. This car came from an auction and it was hit here in the back. So we've replaced the quarter panel and we're getting ready to epoxy this and get it into some body filler. So you might ask yourself, why are you doing a 300E, Zibby? They're really nothing special, but as you might know or might not know, 900 of these in the States were actually 5-speed manuals. So this thing is a 5-speed manual. There you go. So the car is in very great shape overall, besides the accident. It's got 81,000 miles with a beautiful burgundy interior. The wood is very nice. Dashboard, seats, panels, everything is as it should be. So besides doing the body work, catching up on a few dents here, we'll be doing full suspension here. So we'll be replacing the control arms, the springs. We'll be cutting these to lower the car a little bit. Stay tuned for that. We have shocks coming for this, so I did want something a little bit stiffer. So we have ordered actually a set of E420 or 400E shocks and struts for this car. Usually when you buy from a company like Bilstein, they do not specify. It's just one thing for all. So V8s and straight sixes got the same shocks from Bilstein replacements. So I did end up going with a different company. I'll show you guys once we get going with the installation what the company was. And they do have different telemetry on those and different, gas pressures on the front shocks especially. So I'm looking for a little bit stiffer ride, and we have HD Bilstein springs coming in, heavy duty. 124 things, usually things like a little bit of rust developing here. The support was ground down and rust converted and epoxy primered. We'll be painting that soon. I had actually a hole here, so I had to weld in a new piece for the coolant reservoir. What else? Shoot. Here you have a few spots. So basically when I do one of these cars, I take it all apart. I power wash as much of the stuff that comes off, and then I do some wire brushing, epoxy priming, and amber coating. As originally you see all this yellow amber coating, so we replaced that, and we add some also like in the weld points here. Everything's been already taken care of. Well guys, I hope you like this. I'll show you the plan for this. So we have a set of rims. A friend of mine is saying that they have to go on this car. So we're trying to go for like a 80s style retro look on this car. And well, here is my fleet. So we recently purchased a parts car here and checked out these 80s Sentra 15-inch rims. We'll be restoring. I'm missing one of these stars, so we have that. I really want that on the car. Also, what I'm installing is actually the thing we're working on right now is a spoiler. It's a Brabus spoiler. We're just correcting a few like I wouldn't call it dents, I'd say waves. So we're working on that right now. Here is the trunk being worked on. Here is Vlad doing his thing. Here's the spoiler. So I just got this thing attached a few moments ago, and we just got to make it really nice. Better than Brabus factory, let's just say, because as you know, 80s were not the time of the best quality when it comes to aftermarket. So we'll get this squared off. Here we have the bumpers. So I think this is the one that's going on the car. We have to correct that a little bit. The plan is to get the spoiler into a color that's gonna match that trim, so like a black, flat black. So we'll have the original amber lights in the back, and we will have the original black trim all around, and a black spoiler with the black bumper with those 80s wheels. I think you guys might like it. So for experimental purposes, we did paint the fender already, just to see if the color matches up and whatnot. Here's the fender. It's a 95 fender, so we did have to knock these out for the trim to click in. You see how we had to knock them out. This is Vlad's job here. Look at this. Got myself a great painter. Beautiful. Soon to be married to the car. This came off of one of my parts car, second fender I actually had to purchase. So stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the weather. Still nice out there. Thanks for stopping in, and visit my channel. Subscribe if you can. Thank you.